Thank you for the speech. Apologize for my delay. Uh, I think if we need further example that climate change is happening, we had the airport of Brindisi closed for fog this morning. So I guess that's the best example that climate change is happening, and then we need to take action against this. I thank you for the invitation and for the organization. I want to thank especially Marcello, personal thank to him. Marcello is a very visionary entrepreneur. We followed with him all the steps of this project. And I think Marcello was very visionary because he could combine how to make business while taking concrete action also towards the sustainability of our planet. He was also very perseverance in making the project. He had to face and win a lot of different obstacles that he had during the process. And also, I have to give credit to him that he was able and very fast in adjusting the business plan of his project with changing environments that have changed over the 10 years. So I give all my respect and friendship to Marcello, and as an entrepreneur, also all my respect. Very quickly, Uniconfort, as it was introduced, have supplied in this plant the boiler part. With the boiler part, we mean all the line starting from the storage of the biomass up to the chimney, that is including the boiler and the filtering parts. And we also made all the connection to the ORC, to the turbo machine that was installed over here. Briefly, I will go through three topics. One, what is Uniconfort, what is our mission, and then as I was requested, I will try to make other example of how we have implemented our mission in projects involving circular economy and sustainability. So Uniconfort, as said here, is a supplier of biomass boiler, or better, solid fuel boilers. Then we will see in the last slide why we make this differentiation. We normally supply plants starting from the storage silos up to the chimney. We have a production of boiler capacity in up to 30 megawatt in hot water, or 20 tons hour of steam. And also we have a specific division which was the one involved in this plant here to produce cogeneration plant, where we go up to a size of 5 megawatt. What is the mission of Uniconfort? And I think it's very coherent with what we are discussing here. Our mission is to give a new life to wastes or to material that are not used or are at the end of the life of a production cycle. In Italian, we have a motto which is, I think, very comprehensive, which is il riscatto dello scarto, which is a little bit difficult to translate in English, but basically the idea is that we want to give a revenge or a redemption for what is a scrap or a waste of any type of production by giving a new dignity, giving them the possibility to be a source of fuel and to produce energy. So this is what we have done so this is our mission. So how do we implement this mission in different projects? So we have taken here five different examples of projects we've made, but just to explain how we try to implement this philosophy. So the first one, obviously, is the project where we are here. Here we are starting from the scrap, so from the prunings from the olive trees. That was a problem, a big cost, economic and social problem in dealing with this waste. And we give the new dignity by producing energy, electricity, and thermal energy, which has already been widely explained.